The installation instructions. Assemble the bottom pane, left and right frames and the back panel. Insert the magnet into the empty slot on the bottom panel. Assemble the left frame and the bottom panel together with 2 AA screws. Ensure the screws are tightened in place. Assemble the right frame and the bottom panel together with 2 AA screws. Install the back panel and 2 frames together with 4 screws. Install for wheels. Install the casters under the bottom panel. Install the caster with brakes into the left hole. Install the caster without breaking into the right hole. The casters can be tightened by the HH wrench. Install the remaining 2 casters as the same. Only turn the screw part of the caster, not the wheel, for it may not be screwed properly. Install the beam. Place the beam properly on the frames. Secure the beam with 4 AA screws. Insert the CC screws into the beam. Install left and right doors. Insert the DD screws into the bottom panel. Install the left door. Note, there is a nameplate attached to the left door. Pass the holes in the bottom of the doors through the previously fixed DD screws, and then adjust the CC screws into the holes at the top of the doors. Install the right door as the same. Install the grilled body. Install the grilled body onto the 2 frames. The igniter, as well as the regulator valve and hose assembly should be threaded through the right frame. Screw the grilled body into place. Draw the oil drip tray out and remove the protective packing paperboard from the grill body. Insert the oil drip tray back. Pre-install 8 AA screws onto both sides of the grill body. Screws are no need to be tightened. Install the left side table and the right burner table. Assemble the left side table with left front panel. Pre-install an AA screw onto the left front panel, then screw the parts into place. Hang the left side table combination on the pre-assembled AA screws. Do not tighten the screws. Screw the left front panel onto the grilled body. Open the grill body door. Attach the left side table combination to the grill body with 2 AA screws. Hang the right burner table combination on the pre-assembled AA screws. Do not tighten the screws. Screw the right front panel onto the grilled body. Attach the right burner table combination to the grilled body with 2 AA screws. Now tighten all 8 screws on the both sides of the grilled body. Install the regulator valve and the knob base. Insert the valve through the holes in the right front panel and press it downward to secure it in place. Tighten the screws to secure the base. Push the knob into the valve and adjust. Turn the knob around to make sure it was properly installed. Install the side burners. Insert the side burner into the hole in the right burner table from the top down. Push the tail of the side burner into the valve nozzle. Screw to each screws from below to tighten the side burners. Insert the igniter into the hole in the right burner table from below. Secure the igniter from above with an E-screw. Make sure the igniter faces the side burner. Place the burner rack on top of the right burner table. Insert the rack posts into the specified holes. Place the racks and oil drip boxes. Place the warming rack onto the grill body. Insert the rack into specified holes in both sides of the grill body. Place 3 pieces of the grill heating plates in the grill body. Place 2 pieces of the cooking grates and 1 piece of the cooking plate. Place the oil drip box along the guide rails of the oil drip tray. Place and connect the gas tank. After putting the gas tank into the nesting hole of the bottom panel, tighten the butterfly screw clockwise on the back of the bottom panel to secure it. Connect the regulator valve to the valve of the gas tank. Make sure there is no methane leakage. Install the igniter and demonstrate ignition. Insert a battery into the igniter with plus facing outward and minus facing inward. Screw the cap in. Press the igniter button once to check if it's working. The side burners should be working as well. Press the igniter button in without releasing. Turn the knob of the side burner anti-clockwise. The fire should be lit immediately. You can adjust the fire by turning the knob. Press the igniter button in without releasing and turn the control knob anti-clockwise. The fire should be lit immediately. After lighting the fire, release the igniter button. Adjust the fire by turning the knob. Caster with brake demonstration. Turn the brake anti-clockwise to lock the caster.